everyone, welcome to 1K Yellow Diamond channel, where here we're all about fun, food, and family. Bow, 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 bow. Okay, y'all, today we are doing lobster tails. Yes, y'all, we're doing lobster tails, asparagus, and sweet potatoes. Now, the lobster tails, asparagus, and sweet potatoes will not be cooked like your typical way. It won't be in a boil, it won't be roasted. I'm using my everything maker, my everything cook maker. So let's get to it. So lobster tails, asparagus, and sweet potatoes. Then we're gonna make a lovely, lovely little sauce. Yeah, you guys, y'all gotta just stay tuned for the recipe. This is gonna be an easy recipe. Y'all know how I do it over here at 1K Yellow Diamond channel. We do it easy, simple, and delicious. Okay, you guys, these lobster tails has been cleaned, they've been washed, and all that good stuff. I'm going to show you how to pull the lobster meat right out of the shell and stack it right on top of the lobster. You guys, when I first did this was so hard, and I'm talking about years ago. When I first did it, years ago, it was hard. I was getting cut up, the shells was cracking, which the shell's going to crack some, but I'm going to show you an easy way in doing it. So you will need a pair of scissors, scissors, very sharp scissors. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna take the scissors, see, straight in the middle of the tail and cut it down the back, all the way to the tail, but not to the end of the tail, right to the tail part. And what you're gonna do next is this spine here, crack the back, crack the inside of it, the middle of it. I always say the lobster spine, you're just gonna press down on it in the middle of it and press. Be very careful because it is a pokey part on there. Next, you're just gonna take your finger alongside the meat and the shell. And you're gonna run your finger under it to pull it away from that shell. And easy. I'm gonna do another one for you. And voila. Put this to the side and make our glazing sauce. Next, we're gonna chop up an onion, put a jalapeno, red pepper smells yummy, and garlic. Nothing like fresh garlic. And just smashing it to get it out the shell. We're gonna add it to our, let me cut this in, into our puree, because we want to make a good old glazed puree sauce. We're just gonna add it all in there. A little olive oil, salt, and obey. And there you go. Don't that look good? It smells amazing. One to baste while it's cooking, and the other a butter sauce for dipping. For basting, we're gonna add one tablespoon of Miracle Whip. Don't say nothing. Don't say nothing until you try it. And the other one, butter. 2 tablespoons of butter. Mix that real good. Blend that mayo with all those herbs and spice. Okay, you guys, we have the asparagus. Uh-oh, that one just snapped right off. And that's exactly the part I want. I don't want the hard part. So we're gonna cut the bottom stem off. Midway, you can keep this and make some good old stock. Next, we're gonna cut up our sweet potato. And we're just gonna cut them in half, straight down the middle. We got the sweet potatoes and the asparagus all cut up. Let's push this to the side. Now we have everything ready. Let's get to cooking our lobster tails, our asparagus, and our sweet potatoes right on everything maker. Okay, you guys, we got our everything maker, cooker, call it what you want to, but we have it on, it's plugged up. The white light is on. As soon as the green light come on, then we're gonna get to cooking, y'all. Okay, we're gonna add just a little olive oil. Our sauce with the mayo. This is my first time cooking sweet potatoes, asparagus, as well as lobster on my everything maker. So, cross our fingers. I think it's gonna turn out right because the last time we cooked, we did do sweet potatoes. We sure did. And we cooked burgers. We did the sweet potato burgers. Next, we're gonna add some on top. Ooh, y'all, it smells so good. Alrighty. Now we're gonna just add the asparagus, right? We're gonna add some onions. I'll add the onion. Oh, we putting it all on now, baby. Yes, we are. Okay, we're gonna baste that heavy. We're gonna put a lot. Woo! It smells yummy, y'all. Next, our diamond dust. We're gonna close it up. We're gonna let it cook for 5 minutes, and we're gonna come back and check on it. Bow, 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 bow. Ooh, wait, baby, look at that lobster tail. Well, it actually made steam, y'all. Okay. Y'all, look. Baby, look at that. Woo! Here we go, y'all. Woo! It's hot, y'all. Woo! That looks yummy. Woo! Here we go. We got the lobster tails. We got the lobster tails. We got the sweet potato. We got some onion, and we got some asparagus. Yes! My mouth is watering, y'all. Yes, where my soda? Now there we go. We are ready, y'all. Look, lobster tail, sweet potato, asparagus, and some onions. We have some apple one. No, not apple one, just some apple soda. No apple wonder. We got some more dipping sauce here, and we got some peppers just for make the plate and stuff look pretty. But y'all, I'm ready. Let's try it, y'all. Amen. Let's try these asparagus. Y'all, these onions. Y'all, that sauce I made. Y'all, let's get to the lobster tail. That's good. Bow, bow, bow. Yeah, these tiny lobster tails was $10 at HEB. That's good, y'all. I like the onions. Ooh. That's all on my shirt. On some of these onions. I ain't worried about the sweet potato. Them onions. It's messy.